Today I'll show you how to create AI brand imagery using Sourceful. First, click Create in the side navigation. You'll see a list of brand visuals you can make with Sourceful. Click AI Imagery. Here, type your prompt. For my example, I want to generate some street photography for my LA-inspired lifestyle brand. Describe your vision for your brand imagery, how you want the scene to look and feel, the mood you're going for, and who your target audience is. The more detail you include, the more your results will match your brand style. You can also click the plus button below to upload a reference image. This helps guide the creative direction even more closely to what you have in mind. By default, you'll generate 5 images. You can choose to generate less images by clicking the image icon here. When you're happy with your prompt, press Generate to see your results. Once your images are ready, you can edit them directly by clicking Start Edit, or you can download them if you're happy with how they look. This tool is perfect for creating on-brand imagery for your website, social media, ads, and more. It gives you custom visuals that look made for your brand, and it's much better than stock photography.